Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn Learning. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to reach out to the LinkedIn Learning, just go ahead into linkedin.com/learning. Again, after you've purchased an individual subscription or activated a learning subscription from your organization, then you can access LinkedIn Learning at linkedin.com/learning, and you're gonna be able to see and learn on your own schedule, get unlimited basically knowledge of how to skill your how to basically upgrade your skill to to the next level. And then you can pick your plan right here. You can select the one for individuals right here, or if you want for teams, right? And basically you're gonna get unlimited access to 21,000 expert-led courses for as many employees as you'd like, and then course recommendations tailored to employee goals and job function, and then rich insights dashboard on learning progress, skill building, and organizational skill gaps in employee career pathing powered by LinkedIn data, and LXP and LMS integrations for seamless admin and employee experience, and then upload the custom content and mix with LinkedIn Learning courses to build the right learning path for your team or for your individuals. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.